Here's how to set up a Chase Pay in 4 plan for an eligible Chase debit card purchase and understand why the split into 4 payments option may not appear in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to find the feature and understand why it may not be available on your account. Quick warning, this feature involves a payment plan for eligible purchases. Availability is determined by Chase based on your account and purchase eligibility, so results may differ between customers. First, sign into the Chase mobile app or chase.com and open your eligible checking account. You'll see your account overview with your recent transactions. From there, open account activity so you can view your latest debit card purchases. Chase Pay in 4 is not something you enable from a settings page, so this is the only place where the option can appear. Next, look for a debit card purchase between $50 and $400 that was made within the last 7 days. If the purchase qualifies, you'll see a split into 4 payments option directly beneath or beside that transaction. Tap or click it to continue. Then review the payment summary. You'll see 4 equal payments, the repayment schedule, automatic payment details, and the first payment due date. After that, confirm the plan to create your Chase Pay in 4 agreement. In most cases, the original purchase amount is credited back to your checking account within 24 hours, and your first installment is due 2 weeks later. Now, if you can find the split into 4 payments option, that's usually because the purchaser account isn't currently eligible. There's no standalone Chase Pay in 4 button anywhere in the app or website. The feature only appears automatically on eligible transactions. Also verify that your purchase is between $50 and $400, was completed between the last 7 days, and that your checking account has been open for at least 6 months with an active Chase debit card. Once you've confirmed those requirements, wait if the transaction is still processing, since eligibility may not appear until it fully posts. If everything meets the requirements and the option still never appears, contact Chase because eligibility is determined individually and cannot be manually enabled by customers. Once everything is set, an active Chase Pay in 4 plan will appear on your eligible purchase, and your purchase amount will typically be credited back to your checking account within 24 hours before your 4 scheduled bi-weekly payments begin. Following these simple steps makes setting up Chase Pay in 4 quick and easy.